Yo, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again, and I'm ready to do another ride along. This one is a fragrance I just got not too long ago in Mashrabya, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And it's supposed to be a clone or a rendition of by Killian's Smoking Hot. And I have another fragrance that's a clone of that, and it smells pretty similar to this, except this one is a little bit muted, which in a way it works a little bit better for me. But anyway, I'm doing a ride along today, so do my regular sprays, and I'm thinking this is going to be a pretty good lasting, long lasting fragrance. I know it's a little strong, like in that opening, so I may start coughing in a minute because of the sprays. I don't think I want to do any on my chest because I don't want it to be right in my nose, and maybe I go nose blind or I might start choking out. But anyway, here we go. Let's ride out with this. And right now it is that coming in? 8:30, 8:33. And the weather is, oh wow, it's pretty cool today. It is 42 degrees. I don't know if that's going to come up, but it's 42 degrees, and it was raining all yesterday, and it's supposed to be a little bit raining, overcast today, but we'll see. This may be a good time to wear this because it's a little bit cooler, and with it being cold. All right, or semi cold, it's chilly. All right, roll with me. Let's check it out. See how it's going to do. I'm excited to have this one though. It's a good one. All right, let's go. Just doing a little checkup. It is now, oh man, what time is it? 9:28. Is that coming in? 9:28. And right now, the fragrance feels a little muted. It feels like it's really close to the skin. So in a way, I guess that would be a good thing if you're looking for something like a date scent. But I thought it was going to be stronger projecting, but you know, still good. It's still there. So yeah, still there. So I don't know. I guess I'm doing a little check-in, and right now, it's overcast. It's like really cloudy, and still saying it's 42 degrees. All right, so I guess I'll do another check-in in a little while. All right, see you in a minute. I'm doing a check-in. As you can see, I had a little bit busy morning. It is now 11:36, and fragrances is slightly there, slightly. It's not like it's not going to be detected by anybody if I walk past or anything. Maybe, I don't know, but it's faint. It's very faint, so I would say that this is not a super long lasting fragrance. Yeah. It's not bad, but it's not great. And the temperature now, it is 44 degrees. So it's a little bit warmer, but it's not anything that's going to make a drastic difference in the performance of the fragrance. So anyway, all right. I'll give another check-in a little bit. All right, let's wrap this up. Oh man, this fragrance, I love the smell. Not crazy about the performance. I thought this fragrance was going to be like a beast mode kind of performance fragrance. I have another clone or rendition of what is it? Smoking Hot by Killian from Dua. I forgot what it's called. Smoke something. I don't know. But that one lasts a lot longer. This one, it didn't last as long as I thought it was going to last. So let's get right into it. Mashrabya, this one, it smell is great, and it smells like muted version of Smoking Hot, but I thought it was still going to be lasting. I thought the smell of it was going to stick around, maybe not the sillage, because when I sprayed it on, after about 45 minutes, the first 45 minutes, it got close. Within that first 45 minutes though, it was jumping off my skin, like maybe about an arm's length away. And then afterwards, it got really close, and I sprayed a lot on my clothes. So I was thinking, okay, maybe it's just because I have a jacket on and so on and so forth. And then I went out and, hung out with my buddy, went to the range and everything. But by the time we got back, before we even got finished, the smell was pretty much gone. When I did that last check-in, the last check-in was like around 11:30 or something like that. By that time, it was really close to the skin, like almost like I have to dig in. Like I had to dig in to smell it, and even then, it's not like somebody's going to smell it if they walk past. But yeah, right now it is 3:52, but I was going to do this like maybe about 2 hours ago. I was going to do it like around 1 o'clock, but I was thinking, okay, I was doing things, I was moving around a lot, so I was thinking my body was heating up, so it may come back to life, but it didn't. So I would say it really died out like maybe around 12 o'clock, maybe 12:30. So that's what, 8:30, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4 hours. 4 hours. So for a dark fragrance or a heavy fragrance like this, you would think it would last a little bit longer. But needless to say, I love the smell. I agree. I like the smell, but I just not crazy about the performance. So let's just go check out the notes. This fragrance came out in 2024, so just last year. I think it was like mid-year last year in 2024. And then for the notes, the top notes, we have apple accords and pink pepper. Then in the mid notes, we have cinnamon, tobacco, and dates. That sweetness from the dates really does come out. You can pick that up as you're wearing the fragrance. Even though it's short-lived, you can still pick it up. And then in the base notes, there is oud smoke, caramel, vanilla, and patchouli. And yeah, I pick up all those things. The date, I think, is one of the notes that's kind of a little bit different from the original Smoking Hot from by Killian. But needless to say, it's still a good fragrance. It's just now, because it's such short-lived fragrance. It's only 4 hours, so I think maybe 5 hours at the most. This would be a fragrance that you might want to gear it towards like events or situations. Like if you're going to be going to a party for 3 or 4 hours, then this will probably be good. Or if you're going to do a date, because it'll get really close to the skin if your date likes the scent, then yeah, that would be great. Because after the 45 seconds, it gets really close. You can, bring the person in and they will be able to smell you, enjoy your smells. All right, so that's what I had for today. Thanks for my ride along with me. I have a couple of other things I was going to do today, and I was going to take this fragrance along because I thought it was going to be lasting a little bit longer, but since it's died out, this is the wrap up. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about this ride along with this clone that did okay. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.